Hi, welcome to automation-testing.in. In this video, we will see Python data types string part 3. Okay. So in our previous videos, we have seen some of the things about the strings. So in this part 3, we will see some more things. So what is that? So agenda for this is we will see math operations on strings, length, how we can get the length means length of the string using length function, and checking membership. We'll see what is that checking membership, and string comparison. So we will see all these things in this video. So we'll see one more thing that is called remove spaces from the strings. How we can remove any spaces from the strings. So math operations on strings. We can perform plus and star operations, means operators on strings. So we can use what operators? Plus and star. How we can use that? We will see. Plus operator is used to concatenate the strings, means to concatenate two strings or three strings we can use plus operator. Star operator is used to repeat the strings. If you want to repeat the same string multiple times, that time you can use star operator. Length function. So len, the brackets, normal bracket method is used to find the length of the string. So example is, if string is a str is a string, then str dot length will give the length of that str. Okay. So checking membership. So we can check whether the character or string is the member of another string, means that is present in that particular string or not, by using in and not in operators. Right. I'm verifying that the substring is there in that particular original string using in, not in operators. Okay. We can do string comparison. The string comparison can be performed based on alphabetical order. Okay. So following comparison operators can be used in strings. So we can use less than or equal, greater than or equal, and this is comparison, this is equality operators. So we can see some of the equality operators, that is called double equal and not equal. Okay. So we'll see everything by taking some examples. So removing spaces from the string. R strip, to remove spaces at right side of the string. R strip means right strip. Okay. The same way L strip, to remove spaces at the left side of the string, and strip, to remove spaces at both sides of the string. Means strip means R strip plus L strip. Okay. So we'll see by taking some examples. Let's go to the notepad++. So this is string data type part 2. We have seen all these indexing and slicing, all these things. I'll create one more. I'll save as string data type. I'll take this one, string data type 3. See. Okay. So here also I'll clear everything. Now, first we'll see math operations or operators. So I can use plus, right, in between two strings. Okay. So what I'll do, print in the single quote Python and then plus programming. Right. This is one string, Python is one string, programming is another string. So I'm concatenating these two things using plus operator. So we'll see what happens. You see that string concatenation happened and it is printing Python programming is a single string. Is that possible that one is single and one is double? Right. I'll try to execute the same thing again. Same thing, means string is string, whether it is double quote or single quote. String concatenation is possible with the plus operator. Okay. But what about string with integer, is that possible? I'm just checking. Type error can only concatenate str, not int to str. Right, it is giving clear information. The error, type error, is giving clear information that can only concatenate str to str not to int. Okay, so this is not possible. So I'll comment this. Okay, so that is simple concatenation of two strings, whatever it is. Okay, so now we'll see star operator. So Python star, I'll give 5. Okay, the string with star operator. So we'll see what happens with this. You see that Python, 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 5 times it is repeating the same string. Okay, if you give some space here, you will see exact output. You see that Python 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times it is repeating the same string. So this is plus operator, and the same way you cannot do string to string. Right, I'll say Python and star Python. Right, Python, Python. We'll see. You see, again type error. Can't multiply sequence by non-int of type str. Okay, you cannot multiply with the str. You can multiply only with the integer. So this is not possible. So I'll comment this. So that's all about math operations on the strings. So we'll see length, len function. So p is equals to Python and print length of p. Okay, length of p. You will get 6. Right, length is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 characters, 6 is the length. If I change it to Python programming, and if you execute the same thing again, you'll see 18 characters are remaining. So length of this string is 18. Very simple, nothing more than that in the length function. Now we'll see membership. Check membership. Okay, so I'll take one example. str is equals to Python is a programming language. Python is a programming language. Okay, so first I'll print this, what it is, str. So I'm getting as it is, Python is a programming language. Okay, Python is a programming language. So I want to check some substring is there inside this string. Okay, so print, I want to check Python is there inside this or not. Python. Okay, so the substring Python in str. That's it. It is there in str. This Python in str anywhere in this entire string. We'll see. It will give you true. Yes, it is there. Yes, it is there. And the same way, I'll do the same thing. I'll put small p and I'll execute the same thing. This time you will get false. What is the reason? So it should be exact. The case sensitive means the camel case or capital letter or small letter. We need to that is a specific thing in this that we have seen in this data types, right? So what do you say? This is false. This is true. The reason why it is false, because of case sensitive, because of case sensitive. And we can do the same thing reverse way. So I'll put not space, sorry, not in. Here also not in. So when I run this, you'll get the vice versa. Python not in str, but it is there. So that is the reason it is giving false. So this is false. And the same way, it is not there. Yes, it is not there. That is the reason it is true. Why it is happening the same Python? The case sensitive. Right. So that's all. That simple means you take one substring, it is there inside this or not. Verification. Okay. So we'll move to the next topic. String comparison. Sorry. String comparison. So we'll differentiate this with okay, and then I'll take print. I have given my name Krishna is equal to Krishna. Okay, so the moment when I run this, you see that it is a true. The reason is Krishna is a string and Krishna is a both are same strings. Okay, so I'll give the same thing again. Now what I'll do, I'll make it capital K. And again, if I run this, you see false. Right. Here also same thing. It is there in, it's not there. The reason is case sensitive. The same thing here also applicable. Why it is true, but it is false. The reason is case sensitive. You need to remember this. And the same way, print Krishna greater than Krishna. Okay. We'll see what happens. You see, true means it will take, what is that, ASCII characters, then alphabetical order both. Okay, capital K first, small k is the bigger one. Okay, that is the reason this one. So if both are small letters, apple is greater than bat, apple is greater than bat, this is false. A is lesser than B, right? This is false. And the same way, you can put vice versa. Apple less than bat. And try to execute the same thing. Now it will get true. So this is true. And we'll take some more examples. I'll say Krishna not equals to same. Otherwise, this time I'll take capital K. So both are not equal. You'll get true. You see that the last value is true. So this is true. And the same way, print apple less than or equal to bat. I'm saying less than, actually it is less than. are equal, both. If it is both the conditions means one is satisfied, it is less than, so it is true. And the same way, print apple less than or equal to apple, right? It is not less than, actually it is equal. So this is in any one of the conditions. So again you'll get the true. You see that the last value is true, right? This is how you can compare two strings. So, and another one is removing spaces from the string. Okay, I'll take this one and I'll put here. Do the same thing. Removing spaces. We'll see by taking some examples. A is equals to Python. I'm giving some spaces right side. B is equals to the same thing. Python, some spaces, same thing. And C is equals to some spaces, Python. Let it be. And D also I'll take similar to this, but I'll put some spaces both sides. And E is equals to normal, nothing. So small pi, normal Python means no spaces, nothing. So first I'll check print A equal to B. Is that A equal to B? Same things, right? Same spaces, everything. You see that? True. Right. This is also Python, and this is also Python. Then is that equal A equals to E, the last one? Both are Python, right, in the single quotes. But you get false. Right. The reason is the space is also considered as a characters inside the string. So then this is different, this is different. And again, what it is doing, A equal to C? No. The reason is here the spaces after the N, here before P. Both are Python, but the spaces at different places. So these are not equal. So now what I'll do here, I need to remove these spaces, then it will become the same thing. So what I will do then, print A dot. We have right side, right? Otherwise we'll say strip is equal to C dot strip. Okay, means I am removing, strip means both the sides. So obviously if you have any spaces, it will remove and you'll get the true. The last value is true. And the same way, A dot R strip is equal to C dot L strip. Right. For the A, I am removing right side strips, removing right side spaces, here left side spaces. Right. So again, it will give me true. The last value here, see, true. Right. And the same thing I'll take. For the C, I'll put R strip and I'll execute here. So what happens? It is false. Why? Both C is having right side no spaces. It has left side. We need L. That is the reason it is false. So this is how you can remove spaces from right side, left side, and both sides. Strip means both sides. R strip means right side. L strip means left side. Okay. So this is all about math operations, length function, check membership, string comparison, removing spaces from the string, all these things. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and share the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for further interesting updates.